Today we are going on Pilatus again, and especially for an overnight stay and to celebrate Valentine's Day. And yeah, it's very cold. It's -6 degrees. So now we are getting ready for the dinner, all dressed up for the beautiful dinner.
For the welcome drink, white wine or better orange juice.
It's 7 in the morning and the weather is so freaking cold. It's -20 or -21. And look at this view. Beautiful view. This is one of my favorite views. Heavenly view.
Hi everybody! Now it's 9 in the morning. We saw a beautiful sunrise and now we are ready for the breakfast.
finally finished with the breakfast and we are super full. Lots of croissants and eggs.
And you know there was Nutella.
Yeah, there was
Yum.
Nutella. She loves Nutella. And now we are enjoying the sun and we have to check out soon and go home. Yeah, look at this beautiful sun.
And look at this beautiful man.
And we like to wish you all happy Valentine's Day. So this is our hotel building there. Come in waving at us. Oh. Carmen! Olivia. Shut! So we already check out and now it's time to enjoy the sun. Last time.
Yes, amazing.